Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we will understand our question. The program has to accept the integer m, which represents the number of buses. Then the program must print the integer n, which is the number of days the seats are booked. Then the program must accept the integers x, y, and k. So for n days, okay. So now x represents the starting bus number and y represents the ending bus number and k represents the number of seats booked. And the program finally must print the total number of seats booked after n days. So first we have to accept the integer m, that is the number of buses. Then the program must print the integer n, that is the number of days the seats are booked. Then the program must accept integers x, y, and k for n days, where x represents the starting bus number, y represents the ending bus number, and k represents number of seats booked. And finally, the program must print the total number of seats booked. Now we'll take our first case. Here we have number of buses to be 5, and then in n is equal to 3. So first, since the number of buses is 5, we have 0, 0, 0, 0. And here we can see that for 1 to 2, the number of seats booked is 5. So the first and the second bus will be incremented by 5. And then we can see that from 2 to 3, it is 10. So from 2 to 3 will increment by 10. Then the starting number, ending number is 2 to 5. So from 2 to 5 will be incremented by 15. So this becomes 30. This becomes 25, and here we have 15, and here also 15. So this will be our final output, that is the total number of seats booked after n days. Now we'll take our second test case. Here we have the number of buses to be 3 and the integer n to be 2. So from 1 to 2, it is 10. So we'll increment the first two with 10, and from 2 to 3 it is 40. So 2 and 3 will be incremented by 40. Now this is the total number of seats booked, which will be our output. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the number of buses m, and we'll get the total number of days, the integer n, And after that, now we'll have the bus equal to 0 multiplied by m, that is all seats are 0 initially, and we'll iterate over n times for CTR in range 1 comma n plus 1, and here we'll get the values for x, y and k. And now the starting position and the ending position, the seats to be filled, right? So for that, for index in range x minus 1 comma y, will increment the bus index by k, and finally we'll print the bus. Now we'll execute our first test case. So here we have got the correct output as we discussed in our logic video. And now we'll execute our second test case. Here also we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.